All right. Good evening, everyone. This is DayTraderRockStar, and it is Thursday, July 24th. So this would be actually just a little update and watch list for Friday, and just to give you an idea of what we're trading here at DayTradingRadio.com and over at the Trader Lounge TV each day. Beautiful TV show we got going on there. Looking at Occidental Petroleum here, this is a good 60-minute chart right here. Just a nice 60-minute channel we're in. You know, we've hit it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, both upside and downside. So this is going to give us a very nice trading opportunity once we break out of this channel to the upside. I won't break this out, trade this to the downside, because I'm actually expecting this to get a nice bounce. And if anything, if we do break down to the downside, I'm expecting a trade back up into the channel very fast. So I want to keep this one on your radar. Occidental Petroleum, OXP. If you take a look at the daily chart here, took an entry. I actually traded it a little today, but we're had a nice doji here, reversal candle. We really need a follow through tomorrow. Stochastics are a little oversold. We're ready to move here up, so I'm going to be watching this one. Really pulled away from the 20 period moving average, and oil's really pulled back. So everything combined, I say concentrate on that 60-minute chart. All right, people, just concentrate on that nice channel that we're traded in. That's the first one. Going into tomorrow, I like it here. Here's another one, another energy play. I think is a good setup for tomorrow. Again, this is a 60-minute chart. Let's actually go to the daily chart, and we'll see the moving average support right here. We're right on the 200 period moving average. I like about this, the volume starting to pick up on this nice reversal bar here. And looking at $50, if we get above $50, I would be very long and strong this one. Again, this one really affected by the oil play. So where oil goes, these energy stocks usually move. And we're due for an oil bounce. We'll see how this one kicks up here. This is actually a very good, good company. Pulled back to the 200-day moving average. Very strong area. Really pulled off the 20. And like I always talk about on the radio, stocks always like to come back to their 20-day moving average. Every time we get a pull away, it comes back. All right, you see that? You get a pull away, comes back. Pull away, comes back. Down to the downside. Why? It's always coming making that thing. So look how far we're away from that 20-day moving average here. And so expecting a nice little run on this one. Who knows where we're going to go here, up to 55, at least 3 to 4 points on this one I think we could get. All right, so I think those two high on the list. Of course, the big alert I sent out earlier this week on Playboy, this is the alert that I sent out here actually. The buy trigger here was at 470. I got in a little early. I think I got in at 459 and then added to 474. Holding a lot of shares here on Playboy. And of course we got that nice falling wedge pattern. Alerted to you early this week around 459 apparently, because that's where I'm in. And I like this one all the way up. Well, my target was $1.75 to $1. We're just about there right now, but I'm thinking we're going to get a little more momentum. I would like to get one more move up tomorrow and consider taking some off the table there. Playboy actually looks really good here. That's PLA, Playboy. Looks great. You could just see how we made that nice move here. So let's move on. Home Depot. Let's take a look at the Home Depot. Home Depot, nice pullback today. Had a nice run from $20 up to $25. Love to get this one to pull back down to the $22 level. Again, putting it back on my radar. I like it. I have to decide if I'm going to get back into it tomorrow or not. But I do like it. Some other stocks discussing on the site. Definitely come on by. The Corning here. Don't let me forget the Corning. You guys are getting an extra treat here, especially the ones that are not members of the site. Corning, a beautiful setup here. Looking for a test of this, again, 20 period moving average. We had a nice bottoming area here. We bounced up. We have a low retracement. We're not making new lows. So going to definitely keep an eye on this one. Today we started breaking out of that little channel today, and then we pulled back with the market. Market really got hit here. So going to watch this 2050 area. You get back up there, this thing is going to be good to go. If you haven't been in yet, just watch that 2050 area. If you are in it, just watch the lows 1950. Pretty much a good area here because you don't have much of a risk zone here. So if you want to get out, you can get out to new lows here, which is only like 30 cents lower, 40 cents lower. All right, so I think that's about it for tonight. I also want to. Let me see if I can actually pause this. I want to show you something here. If I'm able to do that, let me pause this. All right, here we go. This is a little screenshot of DayTrader TV here. The video's not up here, but you see a nice little chat room. This is all hosted on Ustream, so you guys should come over to the site. Actually, have a gateway into the onto the page here from my site at daytradingradio.com. Great television show during the day, during the market hours. I'm going to do one right now tonight. You never know when I'm going to be on. We do a technical analysis, charting, videos, stock market shows, and all this other good stuff. So come on by. It's a big invite out there. All right, that's about it. I'll see everyone in the market. Be there, be square. Tomorrow's Friday. But we're getting some good setups going into next week. Hope to see you in the markets.